Hey guys, welcome back. This is Void Linux. Void Linux I installed and in my previous video. I have installed the Gnome Desktop environment on it, and this is where we left off yesterday. So first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna check for updates, of course. Probably won't be any updates, but yeah, let's check it. So sudo xbps -install -syu, put in our password, and we had some updates, so it's installing now. So 17 downloaded, 1 installed, 16 updates, and 1 configured. 17 configured. So that's pretty good. Then let's go over what's installed at this moment, the applications. Let's first switch to a dark theme, because this is far too light for me. So first things first, let's go to, oh, it's not here, of course. We have to go to tweaks. So we go into tweaks, which is nice that it was installed by default, so you don't have to install it manually. So appearance, and let's set it to the default weighted dark. So it's a lot better already. Okay. So then go and see if we have a different background that looks more, or looks better to me, at least. Well, there's not that much, but this seems at least a bit more, bit better. Okay, then let's go into the applications. Select all, because I'm gonna group a couple of them. Character map and characters. Cannot create groups here. Oh, 3 to 34, you cannot create groups, no. Okay, so leave it as this. Then we need to go and install a couple of my programs, of course. So let's go to the terminal. Because we don't have a software store here. Okay, let's first adjust the terminal. Preferences. Scrolling, no scroll bar. And unlimited scroll. This all pretty much okay. Let's go into tweaks and do a couple of settings there already. Like I would like my windows centered. This is fine. Weekday, yes, please. Week numbers. This is all good. Okay. So, sudo apt xpps, sorry guys, install is such a default apt or pacman, but xpps install is not something that comes out of my fingers directly. So we're gonna install, we have to have LibreOffice, KDE Live, GIMP, Audacity, Word Manager, QAMU, OVMF, NeoFetch, pop. Okay, first try this. Let's see if we can resolve everything. Let's search for that once later then. So this is installing. Oh, I need Firefox, of course, because we now have web. That's something that I don't want. I'm curious about the software versions that they're installing by default. And also what I'm curious about is if I can have all dark themes in all the applications. What else do I need? Yeah, I need some new icon theme and that kind of stuff, because I don't like the icon theme. Now we can go into the settings and set our keyboard settings in the meantime, while this is installing. Let me put this aside a bit. And go to devices, then go to keyboard shortcuts, launch the home folder, mod shift F, launch the web browser, mod F, Then checked typing, that's all fine. Close window, we're gonna set mod W. And those are just the things that I'm used to, guys. Terminal. Set shortcut mod T. Add. So that's good. So we install these programs. Let's start KDN Live. Well, it's in a white theme. Probably we won't have any options to change it. No. The version. (1908). Oh, okay. I will probably deinstall this one and download an either Flatpak or an app image. Let's start GIMP, see what version is installed. That's 210, that's good. So yeah, 210, that's good. What else? Let's check it with NeoFetch. We can see void Linux. No matter Adwaita. Okay. Then sudo, I keep doing it. xpps -install Firefox VLC OBS Studio. Check if this is really not installing it. VLC is already installed. OBS Studio not found. So let's try OBS then. So that's done. Let's see if I can remove something. Let's go to Firefox, because I want to search how I can remove it XBPS. XBPS install program. Query remove a single package, remove a single package and recursive all packages were installed with as dependencies. This one, yes. Okay, xbps dash remove dash r. Okay. So sudo xbps dash remove dash capital R and then KD and live. Yes. And then search for KD and live. Download. Let's download the app image. Yeah, this is the one. And save the file. Okay, open the folder. Gonna make it executable. Permissions allow executing. And then we're gonna move it. And we're gonna go to the home. We're gonna create a directory here named app images. And we're gonna move it here. So select app images and let's launch it. Okay, so this is now started, looking much better. or did start it twice. So yeah, this is now the newer version. So about KDN Live 12.3. Very good. So yeah, app images are good. Then let's go back and see where we are at this moment. With Audacity, we had Firefox. So let's remove this one. And let's put Firefox there at least. Although I'm not using those kind of things, but we had also installed LibreOffice, right? So let's check what version of LibreOffice is installed. Okay, I don't want to see the release notes. Help about LibreOffice 6.4.12.1.2. That's good. So that's fine. GIMP was good. Audacity is also good. Never mind. Then sudo xb bps dash tmax and powerline. Let's see if those two can be found. Powerline is not found. Tmax is. Okay, so probably have to do that via Git. So let's install Git. And let's see if Atom is here. Yes. Then let's search for Arc GTK theme and Papyrus icon theme. Arc GTK theme not found. Papyrus icon theme is found, so let's install that first. It's taking its time. It's quite a big icon theme though. And I must say this laptop is, when doing a video recording and doing a virtual machine, well, it's not the fastest that I've ever met. xbps query and then search for arc. Okay, nothing found. That's nice. Okay, let's then keep it at Weta for now, and I will search that later, how to do those kind of things. Appearance, icon theme, let's set that to Papyrus Dark. And let's see if this is already better. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, this is more my theme. Okay. I probably will be installing some GNOME extensions, of course, different wallpaper. But I've installed all the applications. I will probably also install my preferred Arc theme, but I have to search for that one, how to install it on Void Linux. Yeah, for now, guys, I think for this video, I think it's enough that we went over a couple of things, of course. You've seen my previous videos where I set up those kind of things beforehand. Blank screen, suspend, nothing, automatic suspend, off, blank screen, for this machine never. So that's good. But I think most of the things have now been installed and set up. So my keyboard shortcuts have been set up. The programs that I need are installed. Let's see if KDN Live is integrated in here now. KDN. So it's searching. Nope. So it's not as integrated as I would have hoped. But all the other things seems to be fine. Let's see if a virtual machine manager deferred service is not started. I have to find out how that works on. It's probably servers that we need to link. So if I do it like this, sudo ln-etc/etc/sv/libvirddaemon and then to /etc/var/service. Seems to be working. Let's start Virt Manager again to see if it's now started. Yep. So it's a bit different than that we're used to, but it seems to be working though. although it still says connecting here. But it's connected, so should be working. I will not be doing a virtual machine within a virtual machine, of course, but for now that's at least all the programs are working. And you see here how we do the startup of those services. So pretty much okay. Yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. And you have seen how to install applications on Void Linux. We have gone through a deinstallation of a program, so that's also good. Yeah, I keep saying it's weird to me that I can that it's an older version of GNOME, and I wish I could already group a couple of things. So let this make a group, but no, not in this version yet. But overall, I don't go into the menu that much. I normally just go back to the home screen and press the Windows key or the mod key, and then just start typing the name of the application that I want to run, and then run the application that way. Or as I said, I have my shortcuts for my file browser, for my Firefox, for the terminal. So those are shortcuts that are already there. But to start up applications, I will normally just type in a name. But it's all that what you're used to. I do the same on KDE environments. I don't go into the menu. I just start typing the application. Here we have to do the mod key or the Windows key, and then start typing the application. In KDE environments, you just start typing your application name, and it will resolve it. So yeah, I will probably do a couple of things differently, but I will show you that in my final conclusion video. For now, I will be running it for this week like this, and I hope to see you in the next one, guys. Have fun with Linux. Bye for now.